Always so fat. You think running around all day and swinging baseballs would make you kind of, slender. You want to go on a quest?
Yeah, I want to go on a quest.
Okay, you want to quest to the cardboard box? You can level up together. I'm going to sit here and just be a new. Nobody come quest with me. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to look at this picture of Tiger Woods. Your job, Ethan.
I think we should blow Joey's hair.
I cut it all up and I got it all for you. So.
Joey, your hair's so sexy that it has its own penis. You can blow it.
Yeah, it's underneath it.
Yeah.
But it's there.
It's kind of awkward because I have to stick my head in your ass.
Well, Ethan, I'm enjoying that a lot. I hope that makes it less awkward.
Yeah, that really helps.
Oh.
Are you still making faces?
What?
You just kind of look really derpy right now. You're just kind of sitting there. Yeah!
I know, you hate
what?
that.
No, stop! Do it again. Ah, Ethan!
Ethan, check this shit out.
What? Why do you do that?
I'm half seagull.
Do you want to say something weird?
I don't want to see your dick, Ethan.
No. No, okay, listen.
What the
Wait,
fuck
okay,
was
Joey,
that?
do that as I'm doing my noise.
It's a platypus noise.
Do it.
Joey, okay.
I can't even do it.
These guys look
we're
so
just making noises.
Okay, do it again.
Wait.
We're the cool kids.
I've been recording this whole
Oh, no.
time.
Okay, here, Joey, make your long noise, and I'll do a duet. Okay.
No, do the other one. Joey, the other one.
The pterodactyl.
No.
Here.
I can't do it.
You sound like fucking like motorized bike or something.
A motorbike, Kaylee?
Yes. No, like.
Like a motorized.
There's this kid that drives by and he has one, but he has like a bike with like a motor on it. Yeah.
That's not.
Yeah, they're really stupid.
Just wondered if you had any jokes. Just wondered if you had any. Wait.
I think I should actually do it.
Just.
That's a really good image. I like it.
Joey, you would.
I thought you thought I was gay. What?
No, I didn't think you were gay. Other people think you're gay, and it's my job to tell them that
I
you're
had a
not.
razor sword bite.
Yeah, except mine's really fucking tiny.
That's what he said.
Hey, it's not fair.
It's really safe. I'm winning because my hair is blowing in the wind. Pretty good. I'm finding an image. I'm going to use Tiger Woods. He's a good guy.
Ah!
He's a positive role model.
No! What?
There's a little alien in the golf ball.
Why is he
do
there?
everything Yeah, but he
I don't understand. What? Why is he there? Get out.
Oh yeah, look, check this out. There's a tag for like the tech patents and one for the prototypes and some wind cheating dimples, some experiments, but none for the fucking alien.
You look so angry. Yeah,
The fucking alien in the golf ball, he doesn't even get a tag.
How long is that video?
4 minutes and 13 seconds.
Really long. I'm gonna watch it.
Huh?
I'm gonna watch it.
Yeah, they will.